Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, M.2 solid-state drive, wireless module, hard disk drive assembly, DCN module, thermal module, motherboard, display panel assembly, and display bezel. Removal. Peel back the retention tape that partially covers the left display panel hinge. Remove the three 2.5mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the display enclosure. Lift the left display panel hinge off the alignment pins on the display enclosure and remove. The right display panel hinge is removed in the same manner. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel hinges.